Congress Plaza in Chicago, and some things have changed. Not only did they mod the South Tower elevators in the back, but I'll tell you once the elevator gets here. Look at this. They completely modded these with the same fixtures, including the cab and the COP, but they kept the indicator and the voice.
They modded the fixtures, but they kept the indicator.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny. Good old Congress Plaza. Doesn't matter when they have to. Going down?
Yes, thank you.
No, we can see what it's all about. Oh, sorry, buddy.
You're
It's
good.
modded by Parkway now.
What's your battery at, Johnny?
Battery, I'll check them when I stop this.
I should call you, just interrupt your video. Here, I'll tie you up right now.
Such a
That's
nice
a true friend.
My other friend threw a water bottle at me today.
Oh,
We just
no.
love each other.
I see that.
So here's the new evac map that they
These as well.
All right, here we are at the Congress Plaza.
They
in
did it to
Chicago.
him. Did it to
Looks like they modded
How'd you do it to him?
all the elevators here.
Goodbye, everybody. Suck a
Thanks,
dick.
I remember when these were original.
Alright. When they had
Yeah, they
Adams, you know.
redid the cab, they redid the seat.
US had
They did keep the voice and the indicator.
They don't mod jack. They don't have to, I'll tell you that.